Good morning, students. So today I will start word problems exercise 1A. Okay. Question 1. A group of friends hike 3 by 4 kilometer, stop for lunch, and then hike another 3 1 by 5 kilometer. How far did they hike? Okay. So a group of students hiked. So first 5 3 by 4 kilometer and after that another 3 1 by 4 kilometer. So add these two distances. So 5 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 5. Okay. So add it. So converting improper fractions. So this 23 by 4 plus 16 by 5. Take LCM. 4 5 ja 5 4 ja 16 4 ja 64. Add it. Then convert in mixed fraction. So 8 19 by 20 kilometer. They hide. Okay. Group of students 8 19 by 20 kilometer. Okay. Okay. Then question number second. Miss Miss Joshi walks her dog 4 by 4 kilometer each day. What is the total distance that Miss Joshi walks her dog in 6 days? So in one day 4 by 5 kilometers. So in 6 days, Joshi walks her dog in 6 days is equal to, so in one day 4 by 5 kilometer. So in 6 days 6 into 4 by 5 kilometer means 24 by 5 kilometer. So 4 by 5 kilometer. Okay. In 6 days 4 by 5 kilometer. Okay. Then question number 3. Priya completes 1 by 20 of her painting each day. Means in one day 1 upon 20 part of painting completing. How much of her painting does she complete in 5 days? So in 5 days multiply by 5. Okay. So language you write it means in one day 1 upon 20. So in 5 days 5 into 1 upon 20. So simplify it means 1 upon 4 part of the painting Priya will complete in 5 days. Okay. Then question number 4. An oxygen tank contained 219 2 by 3 liter of oxygen. Okay. Before 32 1 by 3 liter were used. If the tank can hold 245 3 by 8 liter, how much space in the tank is unused? So read carefully this question. An oxygen tank contained 219 2 by 3 liter of oxygen before 32 1 by 3 liter were used. If the tank can hold 245 3 by 8 liter, okay, means after using tank can hold 245 3 by 8 liter. Okay. So how much space in the tank is unused? Okay. So means tank, in that how much oxygen, so amount of oxygen in tank is equal to, after using 32 by 3 liter, 245 3 by 8, so add both 245 3 by 8 plus 32 1 by 3. Okay, this is the amount of oxygen in the tank, so add it. So for addition, two ways. First you add their integer part, okay, and then add their fraction part. Okay, so this 277 and this take LCM, so 9 plus 8, so 277, 17 by 24 liter of oxygen in the tank. Okay, so after this here, okay, an oxygen tank contains this liter of oxygen. So how means amount of oxygen in the tank this, and oxygen tank contain 219 by 3 liter of oxygen. So unused means total amount this, and now 292 by 3 liter of oxygen. So unused. So unused oxygen, unused amount of oxygen in the tank is equal to, so this total minus 219 2 by 3. So this also integer part you subtract it, and then their fraction 17 by 24 minus 2 by 3. So simplify it. Take LCM, 17 minus 3 8 2 16. So 58 1 by 24 liter of oxygen unused in the tank. Okay, then question number 5. A water pipe has an outer diameter of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so outer diameter 3.5. Okay, and a wall thickness of 25 32 centimeter. Wall is this is, okay, so this width, this is given 25 by 32 centimeter, and outer diameter is 3.5 centimeter. What is the inside diameter of the pipe? So inside diameter is this, you see here, inside diameter, this is inside diameter, okay, and outside diameter this. So inside diameter is equal to outside diameter okay, minus thickness this side and that side, so 2 into thickness of the wall, okay. So outer diameter is 3.5 centimeter minus 2 into thickness is 25 by 32 divided by 2, so 16. So 3.5 means we can write 35 by 10 minus 25 by 16. Then take LCM of 10 and 16. Okay. So LCM will be 80. 10 8 ja, so multiply by 8. 16 5 ja, so 120. Subtract it. So 155 by 80. Then divide it. So 150 divided by 80. So 1.9375 centimeters. This is the thickness. This is the inner diameter of the pipe. Okay. This question number 5. 115 by 16. Okay. 15 by also can cut. This also correct, no problem. So 5 by 5 you cut it. Okay. So 31 by 16 means 1. 15 by 16 both correct. This and that both. Okay. Then question number 6. Okay. Find the perimeter and the area of rectangular piece of land measuring 12 1 by 2 meter by 5 1 by 5 meter. Okay. Perimeter and area of rectangular piece of land measuring this. Okay. How much area of the land is left unused if 4 small square flower beds of side length 1 meter are made at the center? Okay. So first you find perimeter and area. Okay. So length that is given 12 1 by 2 meter means 25 by 2 meter. Okay. And breadth 5 1 by 5 meter means 26 by 5 meter. So perimeter suppose P. Okay. So perimeter of rectangular piece of land. So perimeter of rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length 25 by 2 plus 26 by 5. Take LCM 10 2 5 ja, so 125 plus 5 2 ja, so 52. So 2 into add it. Okay. So 177 upon 10. Then divide by 2, 2 5 ja, divide by 5, 5 3 ja 50, 5 5 ja, so 35 2 by 5 centimeter. This will be perimeter of land. Okay. And then find area. So area represented by A, and area length into breadth. So length 25 by 2 into breadth 26 by 5. So by 2 cut it, and by 5 this. So 65 meter. So 65 meter square. Okay, this will be area, and perimeter that will be 35 2 by 5 meter, and area 65 square meter. Okay, and meter square. And how much area of the land is left unused if 4 small square flower beds of side length 1 meter are made at the center. 4 small square. So find area of 4 square flower beds. So flower beds, they are in the form of square. So one flower bed, their area side square. So 4 flower bed. So 4 into and side is 1 meter square. So 1 square. So 4 into 1 square, 4 meter square. So unused area in the land is equal to total area of land minus area of 4 square flower beds. So 65 minus 4 is equal to 61 meter square. Okay. So 61. Okay. Then question number 7 to 10. 4 questions remaining. Okay. So these questions I will discuss in next video. Okay. Thank you.